on be part time no more jeje nkwala no 1 cedi. Me I keep saying say adia ebeboa nkwala na ebeboa man. Reverend, I'm not against.
Tired tiapa.
Yes.
Tired.
The idea is ebeboa man na ebeboa nkwala no any problem. But idea na say the fact that our free parents, I force all my parents not to
doing the right thing. That's true. And
it doesn't mean you are doing the right thing.
Good. Now, only baby, a total dance. They are doing the right thing.
Yes, but they are doing the right thing at the wrong time.
You are doing the right thing at the wrong time.
It's simple as that. Oh, Reverend, you call a free. Watch your BSC. So, in as much as we go into school to learn and I said to acquire knowledge, we are instilling, a moral acts, discipline.
That's right.
In the students. Akwala no yin nim see school. And family how everyone say whatever private school your school is, whatever private your school is, no matter how serene your environment is. High obi say you can pay in dollars, you can pay in whatsoever. So high in Crawford to clean up the school.
There are some
the period in the morning is for the student to prepare him or herself.
Good.
Yet me go to your dollars. Your school for your penny for high in Crawford or proper school man. You're quite your proper school. That is our responsibility as the student.
Cleanliness.
Your proper school one apart from 6 brand one because you must school 4, you must school 5. From Luciana Konani, a proper school hall. Yes, your school hall. 7. You call parade, and as 7:30. If you want you call class 8. Class has started. Where from these extra classes are okay? Yes, your free parents nobody come up. Your free parents nobody come up. The fact you call parents for parents to go in agreement with you doesn't mean you are doing the right thing.
That's true. I'm agree.
And Reverend, young come from parents. Now, young come from schools. Say those kind of nyamanoa oboye your school one cover up.
Yeah.
And the ain't in one cover up.
It ain't in social studies now. One cover up.
Syllabus.
That's how one city no more cover up. And no pana was our crown prepare myself or prepare myself the back class. Just imagine say no pa sorry. Also you be kakra ufi. Was it me time we ask not to make I dream bell crown or the bad time. Come on, now giving them news I level so and you can't want to say.
Oh my God, granite Mimi say. What di I often see kakwa. Because now there's a collection maybe.
Okay, 0544 79 1504. Who bet me a friend out the abaso 0544 79 1504. Who bet me a friend out the abaso why now also home baby can. Who bet me a can and pay na the abaso. All right. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
But your frost are free, Minia.
I don't go in the
Mira, Nabiaboko.
Or body Adaroma.
About me and Canopy.
Ah, some more teachers and all not own to one for. The women teachers here and now, Papa, you see, no to the trouble and open swallow. So by who be chairs, I didn't so money. You know, more organizing school from Crown or SS, you know. Say, women, what about here? I'm because sad no chairman or how. But you must take him start up the school on the past. There 6 weeks to go my morning classes and that's who just lemon some more candy, Moncan and put you for no more again. Them why I mean,
also.
Yes,
okay. NT 0544 79 1504. Also bet me a friend also do the abaso. Reverend Awokasa.
Nyame ba na me ka se sa part time na ye ka no. Ya na me dwunu mo amentiase. Senka part time bi wo ho a me susu se ye ma akwada no a. Ense se eye compulsory e wo school no. Na mum ka se ye o parent ni mum. Se bia teacher ni no ni bedi nkomo. Na bia ni fie na waba. na wafa wo saa adwuma no kwan so a memihu sɛ nka ne mu yɛ na mmom ɔmo yɛ compulsory sɛ every student anaasɛ akwadaa biara sɛ woba saa part-time de agye wo sika sɛ yi a ɛwɔ no mehu no sɛ ɛmmoa bebree because ɛba saa akwadaa no frɛ sɛ wasua deɛ from 8 o'clock aba bi 3 p.m. na ne brain na exhausted edidi beebie na wotumi ka de bi hyɛ akwadaa ntumi ɛbɛkɔ ɛna ɔka sɛ ɔmna nɔpa no nso a wofiri baabi wofiri a wɔɔba no obia ne baabi ofiri obi bɛn obi nso te akyiri ɛtɔ da nneɛma bebree tumi sisi wɔ yɛ akwan mu akwadaa ne mmla no sɛ na mekan nti nneɛma bebree sisi wɔ saa akwadaa no akɔ ɔma mɛdu fie ɔkora no ne brain no kora nso so wabrɛ
so ɔmɛdu school mu no
ɔmɛdu ɔno nanso ɔmla 7 mɛ start classes a ɔmla deɛ nso kɛdi kɔ abrɛ adeɛ ɛsɛ sɛ ɔyɛ ma akwadaa no mfasoɔ ɛma so ma no ɛti ɛhɔ no deɛ ahia pa sɛ bɛdi ho nkɔmmɔ paa na yaboa ma awofo ne atikyafo no nyante aseɛ na normal time na aban no ne mpanimfoɔ ahyehyɛ ma wo teacher ne fa kyerɛ akwadaa no deɛ ma ne ho hia wo sɛ wobɛbɔ mmɔden a sɛ wobɛuse saa period no because wontumi anka aban nyɛ ne saa ma wo yes
you see sometimes when you are talking about these things people out of emotions and personal feelings and all that they miss understand a lot of these things. Ubeko school bi no men kasa teacher fo nyina omo bo mo modern but then ubeko school bi no the period necessary teacher ni de kira kola na dia na omo ni tibiase
good
no mo di nkomo you get it but obe we akola no classes hours no be come over for 30 minutes 40 minutes 1 hour na also ode extra classes ne die eno die obetimi atwen but the whole about from 7 to like 2 or 3 now about close to bare 7 hours when to me I'm fan tradi
just 30 minutes or 1 hour
teachers need to create because say topic we dey hu hia eta ba exams nti endo be
extra classes
it is oye no indirectly no oye no compulsory because ohun say topic we dey hu say that entire exams dem dey hu hia na dey e no dey be check classes no e dey me one na ban be say atua oka so that enti wo bo akora na say wo bo awo
ono anso ko 2 million no police for no mu gina kwa gigi scan no no di o matem wo no di awiam fra no pakosi anwumra
me one
na wo ma the 10 cedi
me you are doing well how meanwhile you are doing well
the all can dey cut across the whole Ghana juma bebree no government workers from where
okay
boss
the better me can say the reverend kan e cut across inti mo me so teachers nko so yenya aware say second study institution ko me secondary school no saa de teachers for the day
obi also see teacher ni bi aso
what you say
no let's deal with issue
Matthias
it's not teacher ni dey wire dey teacher ni nya hwi o
Matthias
we are not dealing with the teacher but the act
classes are we no
Matthias but the all can be say cut across but as I say like asem ko for be na ko for about teachers for me no ko about omo part time ho ne adade matter ko for san disminya but number the me can say asem no say say yesi kana say teachers for boni o maye kura bi kura nsi da fine me ka say the omo ye no in a way no asem papa but me angana me free ban say
no
omo ni preach engage that dey be so a omo do for preach ni da
I won't have you
omo ko agreement
have you say that no you see the fact say we teacher ni ntino
the fact say can say dem wo say generalizing say government workers ni nya they are into these practices
obi a dey ba e be kan obi a dey ba teacher ni asem na me kan not out of emotion say we teacher ni ntino na I say obi anka say mo obi asemiam you see obi anka say reverend obi anka say mo obi asemiam
yes
let's deal with the issue and then
ebon kwada no anemo wo mo eno na ye hwete
and na asset
enya sika na
a teacher for bi no
awofo tua wan si dey part time
e die a teacher for bi no
a
teacher for bi no out of their selfish interest you know that is why they do that some of them
and it's true some of them
they are being selfish
they don't even come to classes that
boss
and you say as a teacher ni bi aye boni teacher for aye boni bi a obi an kase teacher for aye boni and for that matter on records enye teacher for nyina anye schools na
yes
enye schools until you can't generalize it say as you so nyina teacher for so obi an so nyina teacher for so dey make out here say obi an so nyina teacher for so and we be a wo dey afa na yeah wo hey afa na wo kira de ntina wo feel say teacher ni ena ye ka teacher ni ase but ye nyina ye me I've talked from KG to JHS3
yes
me nkola bebre university omo a me kire bi mu ade wo friend say JHS no me ade bebre university
ye person ye hunu say ade na lawful
what you say
ye part of
na wo ye one be for so be na bebre nkola no that is what you talk about
ye person ye hwesa ade
ye besere aferi praise be teachers and say omo nya ade be boam awofo no what you say although no omo intentions omo boa nkola no nanso so enye the right way no they are doing the right thing at the wrong time
enti
after praise
on this way we are appointing after praise be hope
yeah
that is what they do over there
omo transnom
you can take me to where you want to take me to after praise
they are doing it
school na work
they are doing it
what they do
they are doing it
I didn't know the extra classes are no pa no na obeje akola ni sika say o extra classes are no pa for what reason
our forces can no problem name the time no you wrong omo nya me omo yi
enti am fa mo dey say wo afre parent say makati mase parent is you mate what you are doing is wrong
yes
and your parent are what was say
beautiful say nka say compulsory for in the school name say yes agreement be taking place between the teacher and the parent na say bia wo be high no after school no be yes class na man ba eno de e wo name school hours na esa mo person mo force wa di bisa be
why do we hide
say wo o mo any problem
why are we hiding behind PTA
boss
PTA to misbehave
boss Mr. boss
we hide behind PTA to misbehave
boss the ambassador make can say
you require PTA fast year
odi asamba de tiɛ sɛ ontimi generalize nka sɛ on say fine me case me nka sɛ a good thing teachers for no bi no yɛ good but ontimi generalize nka sɛ ɔmo nkyerɛ fine e bia the wrong thing at the right time but ebi so yɛ adwuma no but o generalize nka sɛ e bia ɔmo nkyerɛ a ɔnso so yɛ wrong a wrong thing at the right time but ebi so take advantage e so yɛ adwuma no
what must say
what am I saying but
yes sir
na aban the syllabus abro as social studies teacher and the term aba and we calculate bi say term na nso no na topics abcd we na cover now what dey we say me dey na ntimi an cover
okay so
that
one we na wa factoring na no the topics na bro
that one
no over part time na me ni problem okay once I will follow a company some power
okay so wait
in the timetable
yes some way somehow
yes
you find say teacher ni crumble no the period no the term no what this super pepe extra classes the bit me grade of say pass question
fine
maybe techniques and extra bb any curriculum nim and on that one it's fine.
yes that one is the problem
and there are some activities here and just strictly enforced in the curriculum as I say you know cultural activities and all those things aside the learning and also the teaching and learning in the classroom no outside activities we need to consume term ni bi if you only at the and remember so to see Emma ebi ground to be cover up you know your expected you know or subjects in our it is for other purposes good reverend if it not say yes over pasco bit ma say a techniques bi a odi nwa kwala ni mama kwala na timi abo o ankasa personal disua aside the normal you know routine but so catch them say obey extra classes and opagiska it does not sound well to me
embo kwada me dey bi him
embo kwada
no
embo no
cause I don't know wo ye na at the end no wanya mfasoɔ amfiri so a woyɛ ne sɛn.
It is some of us some of us will speak against.
Boss I want challenge you. Once I want me challenge you
but activities and Casemiro.
Boss I want me challenge you. But I now would just embark on generalize no fine. Say I didn't know mu at the right time.
Yeah.
Teachers for no cry. Fine. The wrong thing, but if you take advantage of the boy, and I'm Mr. say, you co-curricular activities bo a term no more. Term will be on the bubble. And I said, team be I say, first my second term. On the term, the King there. I dance for say, a boo or crana, a bit to them creation in the book, Park Street. A boo on a power, Moko be a bit of bank career. Because in the coincidence and career park in the standard, the boo be trained with Hania. Ebi mu ti dem esu adeɛ enti saa ne mo na factor you could see say ebu hɔ no ma wo saa topics na wo ka won ti mi nkɔba me nka sɛ time no me the right time but me kyerɛ sɛ the wrong time there by you take advantage ɛso de bo ankora no good
but timing
no the wrong time but in a way no won ti me fa so the bon kora ni bi me nka sɛ the right time the wrong time although
you know what the extra classes ko hye anopa yes emwaye because ye na ye remforma no ye ni obia ye sori bia ya na consume maame ya na pray maame no fi
boss kono nyumre
primary school
me can say right but we say we just to the system and that also here me can say the right but we say we just to it here we bia me more classes na say be se ni ask at time say bia no pa bia 6 to 7 be morning classes me really say me na mu say e be boa me a e bia say bi o me nya de o mass but that time no say bia betu abo me kakra
now also we ni pa na we teacher ni no at least you have conscience you should know say time na me definition
o just extra classes asibia obi ant me twin hu free mo because the same topics na go chai o ko dia na wa ko eja what they do
can they make us say me can say the right thing but
who ko so go kente
they got the who say time of most for segment no you start 7:30 7:35 intimately if you am me 7:30 at least match of your credit at 6:30 na mo dwom ha enti me ba say baby bo so me ya edi bi fi am ya me so me ya na ja ma ya ka ho
yes
enti na ba me chen say hono me ka say at the right time but e bo me kwa bi so timi so problem bi at the wrong time all do but sa say me sa time no e tutimi bo because am di ka ka time no ye wo time mbabo ye wo time mutum di ka enti wo hono ma in a way
Adeba
me
Adeba kwa Ghanaians
me show mama why remember na
Adeba kwa Ghanaians say ehwene se nso ne se abrebia ya ade no a emfaso ye benya no wo mu no as individual people no enu ya ade ehia yen pa
okay
nemu se ye beboa die ntie ye no ya na yakoma ni so once teachers they are very very much concerned about their classes fee no omusa say omo normal worker as a teachers na so omo classroom ko kira de very bad what is here I don't know concerns because eno no munya nema bi aden e free mu a obi antimi nkoshin won obi antimi ncharge won
say that I say
what is here
I say a motivation
I dey hard
o say
amala wan somebody na every week to di one bro ebi mu dey hear budget
na say time ya chira
police need to me to eso obi ka mu na obo ho say onyina nti wode ne ko
time na ye nyina chira no ne agi alawan kakra ne nyina ya part time bia Baby anopa de me we master or whatsoever we dey anopa say we dey extra class a share anopa we jiji
o mu akwada
we just get kwa me timi come on say say wa be but say me mefo so pa de be di
boss but you know say me nka say o say me ka say fine and the right time for it but in a way you know e bon kra no bi enya dance for say you nkra bu ho no mo so ko private school a bu okro mo nye morning classes say part time as my king but if you heard this answer akwa no wona otimi nya no be for no next game ko do class no order good but the man me challenge say ka say according to me so dem on say you ka say sa so my king the wrong time say be as 6 to 7 morning classes according to me so dem obo no homa but here by the case here the ordinary focus be ko international school no na kwan be for no join the
is it the right thing
me can say the right thing but in a way no do be a I bet my boy I want to adjust it
okay all right Okay.
Location is very, very important. Yemfa Afro Praise be any example. The people are a bus school. Dodo saying na ebetimi afford those e na okasa munya na omoma ahomache no. Dodo na e sori ye dey epra. Ye ni ye ka part time as say what say the conversation is say
different level time by
akura no normal lesson about school is 38.
Okay.
If we say but also to me bo ban ho ne ade teacher any time me be shewa medical accommodation kono nye good. Say 6 to 7 morning classes no. Fine. But here by the case, ebia sa wo for
morning classes mo the time 6 to 7 and 7 to 8.
Ebi dey 7 to 8. Ebi dey 6 to 7.
6 to 7 there mom teacher for mo na mba press school mo twen kwala na say kwala na be press school mo twen.
No ne other segment.
Adentina Ghana ye nyina ya adwen yes why? Adentina ye nyina ya adwen ye dwene ye so ye say wo abanti so why?
Yadwene yam so.
Reverend obi te kwa ho ton ade anyimre bia o o de no misikota no wa so Jacob te say na na say de gas o de coupot obewie no waja ni nkosua ne rubber ni nyina gu kwa no ho
Ne so nyina
no okofie
Osia ho buru ne mu ase ahwi.
na osan twen say
zoom
layo me prana abantua ne ka wo ka no ka say
enti ni etua
omo ka ya adwene ne nya papa enti anadwo no nsuo beto na apie ni nyina gu gati nim
asam no
baby obetena so kopot okota na so no manu busu mi sia obekọ na ho tutokuru cars befuma kwa aba no na ho adane am na wase kota no free
No go the boss.
osori a no obro aba itiri so
Some go for the boss mutu mu fo.
osori a
Somebody say but intelligence are contract go renew.
zoom live wase
Engineer mutu mu fo.
wase na ye attitude
Enye
people of Ghana
ye so any about politicians for it. Then so ye nkasa ntimamufo na nkasa ya adwene nye ye IQ no se go form do na de go form do na de go form
here military
okay
ni a enforce
ni a enforce
yes yes it's here force now here ni papa
yeah live e wo YouTube yeah live e wo YouTube e Katachie FM TV yeah live e wo YouTube why ti mo amontie ni na mo ti ma ko YouTube ne so do wa ko share live e Katachie FM TV
Na wo ka bibi se.
Katachie FM TV teacher ni no on say opere enti say no o kasa go but obuso kasa Katachie FM TV e wo YouTube Katachie FM hey to activities ti me di YouTube to ya o ma me kasa hey ada to activities for Katachie FM TV ewo YouTube ne so me ba cho se no so me say ensebo Paula tell ni nyina eba ewo efa me ho so na Friday die ebere na ya na bubu fa so sa bibia tumesi enti die ne no
say ye compose no and am nka ho
ye be ka ho asem e de duru ha we interest you okay enti Majimi show Reverend Nyanwa no akimidi so man 1 hour kra he go explain tire moji ya mano moji ya 1 city edi ni kwa eye sika hunu na mudi ye na ye nya mfaso bi amfiri so 7 previous yes and if
I say I'm channel Friday
okay
e na allowance record pata
ya ni awofo ne be kasa akira awofo ne say sa PTA first part time no a omode ye na no pa no emfaso bi ani suma nkwala no enti mun sanko PTA meeting ni biem na mun kotwam anya aban na dia aba dia ye ode ye be kan akira aban no na wontimi nkofre teacher for awofo nyina say ya dada mo say yenya ayi no pa na bebo ankwala no wa abra mo ma press school ho ma yen enkora na no bo mo be press school nti en sorry na onum ye be press school ho na ma ye part time 6 to 7 and 7 to 8 what are you talking about and no be ko school no akwala no God bless Homeland Ghana wonim to wonim de ntia wonim to Reverend time wa me no me call special light ewo aboabo na ya to God bless Homeland Ghana wonim say eye be 3 stanzas ya to di na kosi ansana ya ko class na sa no pa na eye ye quiet time no for the school no.
Okay.
So period no. And the teachers no 7 to 8 no. Omo say God bless Homeland Ghana. The pledge no dey keka ho ni nyina no. Enema ehia say yen as nkwala no. Yen nya setimamufuo. Yen nya no sa no pa no de kire. Yen fa extra classes enko sha no pa no. So what you say? Now Ukraine na yesu from 8 to 2 no kra ye ohunu. Now 7 to 8 ni e be algebraic expression. No, let's be sincere. Enti yan kan tire awofo no say sabo kwa kwotena se ni school for no teachers no akwa ye meeting na mo nwene nkwala no ho nka. Mo nwene nkwala no ho nka. So what you say?
Teacher for na idea.
Enye tutu na akwara na so de kwotena school ho na no say the teacher parents sika say ye extra classes anopa. Esu sa so na akwara no so na eko. Enye wu parents no enye wu teacher no ntina akwara ni nyina no se sie dodo na abombo no. Enye bon no mabombo. Na mom akwara bi no awabon ene ma wo di fidi akwara no eno ne ka ho. O ka na ye de ho toto say na private schools bi na ye sorry ahomache enya ne nkura ko school. Masa ene ma na ye sesi ano emo akwara no. These are some of the leaders we are raising for the country. We are raising for the country. Vinyente ma akwara no ba ko na chese wa bin. They make out here say imagine the show eno ano no but yan kan kire omu nyina say aferi press bi ho sa de na ekoso ho awofo na mo kotena se mo yes meeting mo san kokko sesa no anopa ye nya extra class anopa mo ko sesa no mo ha kwada no
mo hwe
boss ba so ne ke se how for no tia se mo an kasa na sa be report o mo se e kan se ne chi for no mo foso
ebinom na akamate
mean on say na make say boss
and now for no kotena se na se me say
okay material
it's not about you forcing the parent to understand
boss material
yeah
however you want it to be. Sana be yama why? Edi awu pese enyema obi a no sana be yama. Enti de kwan a mo pese mo fa so chechire o man yi no. Mo de mo nya de se de mo pe bia why? Adie bia wo ye bia no hwese. Adna wo ye ne bebo ana. Na M1 so dia na wa hu dia se wo ye ho. Ya dia etra ha ye hwese o man be yi. Dia bebo na ye be ye. Extra classes are no papa dia. I will stand against this today, tomorrow, the next day and forever. Extra classes say yenjin classic and yenye extra classes no anopa. Charlie. And your Saturday they are fine. Because those days granny or Saturday classes. But then we are here. adwene bi so ne yɛ nya adwene but deɛ wopɛ no fa why decision na wa wo nsɛm deɛ wobɛfa wo mfa wo ɛno wɔ wa wo hɔ but ɛyɛ ayɛ ha nkwadaa no too much ti nkwadaa no bebree indiscipline no ɛhɔ na ɛhyɛ aseɛ de firi onim fie adeɛ onim hwee kɔ school mu a ɔbɛsua nneɛma no nso a na kyerɛ sɛ yɛadwene nyinaa yɛ book so akorɔmfoɔ fa book na yɛ nanso yɛndane nkwadaa no ne yɛmfa nneɛma bi kaka wo mu nkyerɛkyerɛ binom ne adeyɔyɛ yɛmfa adeyɔyɛ nka sakuja no no betumi asa abodan for ya ono betumi asa abodan
nyankopɔn ade